It's heavy. No English. It was bought from Romania, so at least there is Romanian. There's a QR code also. So these are the components. They look like this. This is pretty heavy. Here we have some technical details. 600 watts. This portion has the speed variator, minimum to the left and maximum to the right. Nothing is visibly moving here. It's so uniform. These are push buttons. They are covered, maybe it's waterproof also. 600 watts. It's plastic on the inside. That's a little bit rubbery, not too much. This is slippery, that is a little bit less slippery. This is metal. That portion is very sharp. Locked and unlocked. Plastic on the inside, and other than that it's metal. This is lightweight. Locked and unlocked. Here maybe. This is plastic, 700 milliliters maximum. This comes off. It's not empty there. That's a cap for this portion. I think it's that. Yes, you can mount it on the base also. That's not going to cover it very well, but 99% well. Another cover-like looking thing. A cap. This is also plastic. This is thicker compared to this one, I guess. A spinning knife. That metal is inserted into the plastic. It's spring-loaded. So let's just insert this portion here. The arrow is here and I just twisted it. The lock and unlock is on the front. So be cautious, spinning knives are dangerous. And let's see. So it's working as long as you hold the button. The speed can be varied from there. Let's set it to minimum. Turbo sets it to the maximum. Ooh, danger.